Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 Pontiac Bonneville convertible. And I would read from the seller's comments, but unfortunately there weren't any. But from what I've seen, looking at the car, it had, most importantly, the bucket seats with a console in the interior. And it looks like it had been restored at some point in the past. And somebody put a different air cleaner, and it's not the factory one. Probably one off a GTO, or should be a 389 that's in the car. Other than that, it was a pretty nice looking car. It definitely had a good look to it, and the convertibles are fairly rare. You don't really see too many of them anymore. And this one managed to sell for $21,700 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And like I said, it had some changes done to it, had different hubcaps on it, but still gives you a nice full-size convertible with bucket seats to tool around town and go to the cruises and that. So for 21 grand, it's not a bad buy, I would say. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1963 Pontiac Bonneville convertible with bucket seats and a console. And it sold for $21,700 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.